Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest tools to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to get Airtable Base ID in 2025. If you're working with Airtable for databases, automations, or integrations, grabbing your Base ID is a crucial step. It's that unique identifier that lets you connect your base to APIs, scripts, or third-party apps. Don't worry. It's straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Airtable account. Head over to airtable.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your workspace with all your bases listed. Click on the specific base you need the ID for. This is where the magic happens. Now, look at the URL in your browser's address bar. When you're inside a base, the URL will look something like this: https://airtable.com/appxxxxxx/shrxxxxxx single quote. That app part? That's your base ID. It's a string of letters and numbers that uniquely identifies your base. Simply copy that segment, easy peasy. If you're not seeing it clearly or want to double check, go to the base's settings. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your base view. In the settings menu, scroll down to the Base section, and there it is, your base ID listed out. You can copy it directly from there. A quick tip for 2025, Airtable might have updated their interface, so if things look a bit different, check the help documentation or community forums. Always ensure you're using a secure connection to protect your data. And remember, if you're integrating this with tools like Zapier or Make, having the base ID handy will save you tons of time. There you have it. That's how you get your Airtable Base ID in no time. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious.